Hi, this is Henk Akkermans. This is Supply Chain Dynamics Chapter 4. Sysdea Gameplay 8, Tactical and Performance Improvements. At the tactical level, we do not look at the operational level of production and order handling. We do not look at the strategic level of capacity management or the tactical level in between the production planning and the capacity planning. Let's have a look at those. The tactical planning level, for that the variables, the production planning slider and the capacity planning slider are particularly interesting. We already have them toggled on as decision variables, so we can quickly see what will be the difference if we would indeed introduce a comparison run here of, say, a production planning, not in a 6 months interval, but in a 1 month interval. That's pretty much what they have these days at semiconductors, or at NXP as they're called nowadays. And you see that the difference isn't so dramatic. There may be a difference in the planning system itself. You quicker realize that something has to happen and quicker adjust downward. But because of the inertia in the rest, the delays in the rest of the production system, the effects are not that spectacular. If we reset this one and then look at the capacity planning adjustment delay of a third of what it was historically, what do we get then? Again, the results aren't so spectacular. There is more, of course, adjustment here. Basically, what you have is that all the time you assume that that the planning delay is 1 week, but it's not a really big difference. If we make them both flexible, what happens then? Sorry about that. Having problems with my mouse button here. Sorry, I should have done them from the beginning at one and one. In combination, it's nice to see that in terms of forecast, we now have we have a quicker response, but there's also more oscillation. Same true for order backlog, perhaps even also for inventory, more oscillation in the various versions of our simulation. So quickening these planning delays, both for capacity and production, does help a little bit. It doesn't help everything. It doesn't really solve the problem at all. Your response becomes quicker, so you are sooner there to respond to this increase in demand. You're also sooner there to respond to the decline in demand. The net result is things become a bit more nervous rather than slow. Which may have its advantages. It certainly also has disadvantages.